Hey, you guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the great state of Tennessee. That's right, baby. We down here kicking it in Tennessee with Boosted 931. Look at that. Got my boy right here with us. Well, anyway, today we got to mount the drag pack on. That's right. We're going to take Ruby down to the track tonight, and we're going to do some shakedown passes with her and see what she will do. Mr. Brett Walker was so kind as to let me borrow his SVE front runners. Check these bad boys out right here. See if I can get this in the camera. There you go. So those will look pretty good paired up with the Billet Specialties. But first, before we throw them nasty bad boys on, I picked up these end links from Steeda. Nice billet aluminum. So we're gonna throw these on real quick. We're gonna show you guys how we install them, and then we're gonna throw this drag pack on. So come on, let's drop these wheels off and let's get this installed. All right, we finally got the wheel off. Check it out. One wheel off. Boosted's helping me out here. He's grabbing up the tools so we can swap out these end links. Oh, cool. See this fit in here?
I got him in his back, like I said. I think I've turned him into a DeWalt guy already.
What? Dude, no way.
Now, tell me what you think about DeWalt.
Dude. That's a mass. That's freaking. Whoa.
There's a note on the back side, Carmon.
There we go.
Oh, it fell to
Straight
the
through.
ground. No, it fell
But I
to
think
the
we
ground.
got too much juice. Let's see if we can get this on here. All right, we need
Jack up
angle
next
maybe
side.
against us. Let's see.
No, I have to.
You can get it.
Oh, yeah.
All right, had to bust out the old cheater here. There we go. Now we got that bad boy loose and. Oh yeah, here we go. All right, got this bad boy out now. All right, here's our nut. Let's pull this bad boy out of here. There we go. All right, let's set this next to the new one here. All right, y'all, here's a comparison of the two. Look at, you got your nice billet one by Steeda, and then you got what Ford gave you, some little scrawny little stamped steel thing versus Ola billet. So let's slap this puppy on and see what the difference is. All right, you guys, we got these bolts. Woo! We got these bolts in. Reefing them down now. And this bad boy will be good to go, y'all. Oh, shoot. This one's got like a little tang on the back here. There we go.
Man, those look so much better. Those other ones look weak.
All right. Now what I want to do is I'm loading the suspension before I tighten them down. Right. All right. One down.
Centers.
It's metal too, it ain't plastic. Heck yeah. Let's see what these bad boys look like here.
They go from the front. They got screws.
Are they going in the front?
Yeah.
Oh, look at that.
Yeah.
Oh, that's gonna look tight.
All right, let's get him on.
All right, let's get him in that white box behind Brett, right there next to his foot. Those are the lug nuts.
Wow. Those look real aggressive.
At least get one on for now.
Yeah.
What do you guys think?
Yeah, looks good.
Here, Boosted, put one on. Speed this up a little bit. All right, y'all, we move over to the other side here. As you can see, Boosted's buddy's reefing on this puppy, trying to get it separated. Oh, there it goes, broke loose. Hey guys, what'd you think, man? It was pretty easy install, right? Check it out. We got Ruby on the ground with the drag pack. We got the links installed. And in the middle of installing these links, guess who showed up? That's right, my man, Mustang Mike swung by and gave us a hand. He's here to pick up a turbo kit, I hear.
maybe.
there
I did get to see it and drool on it. I got spots on it from drooling.
you go, there you go, there you go. So we got the gang loaded up in the convertible. We're getting ready to head to the track, and you guys get that footage in another video. So peace out, everybody. Subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.